Welcome to the Insurance Ed for Me video series. I'm Jeff with Advantage Insurance Group. Today we're going to discuss contractors and what to look for in one from the insurance agent's perspective. With all of this crazy weather we've been having lately here in Oklahoma, out-of-state companies come rolling into town in droves. Many homeowners think they may get a good deal, but end up being victims of fraud. While we always advise using a locally owned company and maybe checking the references, one thing you should get from anybody ever doing work on your house is a certificate of insurance. This is a simple form that those contractors can easily get from their insurance agent. It's basically a snapshot of policy coverages and limits at the time it's issued, plus it's evidence to you that your contractor is properly insured. Let's look at a sample certificate, and I will highlight a few items you should look for on any certificate. As you can see, there's a lot of information on this form. Here are the important things that you want to look for. First off is the insured's name. Make sure it's the same as the company that wants to do work for you. Some contractors will try to pass off another company's certificate as their own. This probably means they don't have insurance. Next is the general liability limits. Make sure these include product coverage, especially if you're having a roof installed. We recommend limits of $1 million, $2 million for most contractors. Next, look at the workers' compensation limits. These are very important. If a worker gets injured on the job while at your property and the contractor doesn't have work comp, it could come back on you. The only exception to this is if it's a small job and only the owner of the company is doing the work. In Oklahoma, the owner is not required to have work comp. Next, look at the dates and make sure the effective and expiration dates cover the time when work will be done at your property. Finally, look at the certificate holder. This should have your name and address. Also look to the right and make sure that certificate is signed. If you feel funny about the certificate in any way or think it might be a fake, the agency name and contact information should be at the top. Go ahead and give them a call to verify coverage is in place. Thank you for watching our Insurance Ed for Me video, and I hope I've helped you gain some knowledge that will assist you in finding a legitimate contractor. Please send any questions you have to info@aigok.com or give me a call at 405-262-7844. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, become a fan on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter to keep up with our new series, Insurance Ed for Me, brought to you by your friends at Advantage Insurance Group.